Ramchandra ki jai. So there are some legends. In Sanskrit, it's Kimbadanti about the Matsyades of Virat, the king Virat, where the Pandavas were living incognito. That means they concealed themselves as to the provision in the game of dice. When the Pandavas lost the game of dice, as per the condition, they had to go to the forest for 12 years and 1 year incognito. That means identity मुंह छुपा के जीना है. अगर पकड़ा गए तो फिर 12 बरस वनवास. So that is why they thought it quite amicable to settle for 1 year in Virata's kingdom, that is Matsyadesh. So as to Orissa, there are three Matsyadesh as per the legend. One is near Cuttack, that is known as Viratnagar, that is Chaudhar. And the other is where good images are made by stone hitching, that is also known as Matsyadesh. And the other is Baliharchandi, one part of Odisha near the sea, that is known as the place of hiding, the place of concealment. There is Ma Baliharchandi, the goddess of Baliharchandi. She is known as Draupadi, and 5 lingas, Yudhishthir, Bhim, Nakul, Sahadev, Arjun, these are, they are considered, they are in form of lingas. So, one question arises. Kalinga Kanya, the princess of Kalinga, these then times, Odisha was known as Kalinga. It has been written in Mahabharata. So, the Kalinga Kanya, the princess of Kalinga, Bhanumati, was so beautiful and glamorous that she was only considered next to Draupadi in her beauty and glamour. She didn't want to marry Duryodhan, but Duryodhan in the Swayamvar was present, and along with Karna and all his champions kidnapped Bhanumati and married her. So it was for Pandavas, it was a nation, it was a country or a state that was quite inimical. That was the enemy state of Pandavas. So Pandavas will never come to Kalinga because it was a hostile kingdom for them. If at all they were captured or detected, they will again go for 12 years as Vanvas to the forest. So, question of coming some 2000 kilometers from Delhi to Kalinga is not feasible. So, it's not Matsyadesh at all. But real Matsyadesh is Bairat, which is near Rajasthan, in Rajasthan. From, as you know, Patna. Patna, in the oldest times, when it was Magadh, it was the capital city of Magadh. So names are changing all the time. So as you Viratnagar, now it is Bairat. In the due course of time, the name has changed, and it almost corresponds to Viratnagar. So Bairat, as you know, Alwar in Rajasthan, it is some 120 kilometers from Bairat or Alwar, Viratnagar, the capital city of Virat. So that is why, and you know the climate of Bairat or Alwar is quite conducive for cow breeding. That is why there are enough cows in the state of Virat which the Kauravas wanted to take away, drive them to their own inhabitat. So that is why Bairat or Viratnagar, Raja Virat, the King Virat, shifted his kingdom, his capital city, to Viratnagar. And in the due course of time, it has become Bairat. In Alwar, Alwar is the gateway to Rajasthan. Alwar, it is near river Sona, and it's quite fertile, as it has been described in the Mahabharata. That is why Odisha or Kalinga was never, in Mahabharata it has been written that Kalinga Sena, the army of Kalinga, was fighting against Pandavas. So Pandavas came from 2000 kilometers to Kalinga is not feasible. Syavar Ramchandra ki jai.